My name is Precious Osagiarese. I'm representing the Cannabis Training Academy and I am the instructor manager. I was tapped to join the CTA to support building cannabis training, technical assistance for students throughout New Jersey looking to enter the industry or propel themselves that was in it. It was definitely a virtual platform. For those who know, the CTA is a 24-hour spot where you can go and get dozens of hours worth of content that help you from the inception of your license all the way to submitting your license through instructors, including myself, and other renowned instructors throughout the country. And I always thought it would be awesome to bring that same level of education in person and do more direct sort of really connection and team building. And I thought it was a big focal point for students to see and meet their instructors, get that one-on-one time, get their answers answered in real time. So there's less figuring it out on their own and more guidance. So that was the original thought.
First of all, just give a round of applause for coming out on a Saturday morning.
My name is Callie Galapo. I'm the CEO of CC Bloom. We have municipality approval in Englishtown, New Jersey. We class 1 of cultivation and class 2 manufacturing. The instructors were fantastic. I came here with questions because I knew I had some specific questions. Everybody is beyond knowledgeable. So my overall experience, a 10 out of 10. Can't wait to come again. Throw another one.
My name is Asia Joseph, and this is my fiance Kyle Lewis, and we're with Leafy Delights Dispensary.
Where y'all located?
And we're located in Folsom, New Jersey.
Thought the workshop was great and informational, very helpful in certain ways. I definitely learned, new things especially about CRCs, regulations, sale tactics.
Yeah.
So
marketing, things that you can do, especially with social media nowadays. That's great. And also some information about zoning, which we have an issue with the town and our landlord and things he's supposed to do. Yes, we did.
Yes.
And he's actually going to help us and reach out to the township, which is excellent. So it's great that we came, because trying to get anybody on the phone sometimes is hard. So seeing people in person is always, you get actual questions, you get answers right there. You don't have to wait for a call back, text back, or anything. This was great.
My name is Max Jackson. I'm here with the New Jersey Cannabis Business Association, and I'm the vice chair of the cultivation committee. Love that I'm here. This is a great event, getting to meet not only the operators, but the regulators and people from like the NJEDA, being able to learn about directly about the grants and everything, and talk to people from the CRC, and really find out that people from the state are really here to help you is refreshing.
This is a stop you have to make on your journey. It's a stop you have to make because it is a preventative stop. It'll help you, navigate tough decisions that a lot of people who are some of the leaders and instructors here have gone through and have now know how to navigate and willing to pour that information back to other people. It's a stop for acceleration. If you are nearly there, you need further support or a little bit extra details in what next decisions you're gonna make. Is a stop you have to make for that speed so that you can get to where you want to go to. So I think it's really behooves everyone who is interested in the cannabis industry. I always say you can't skip the education of it. You can't skip the things that will empower you to make good decisions as a business owner, because if not, you end up paying for those things in the long run, and our hope is that you don't have to. So I encourage everybody to come to the CTA if they're in New Jersey on their cannabis journey.